Leica M11 stands as the latest marvel in the Leica lineup, known for its exceptional craftsmanship and iconic design. This camera merges modern technology with the timeless appeal of classic rangefinder cameras. In this video, we will explore its design, features, performance, image quality, and overall value, helping you understand what makes the Leica M11 a standout choice for photographers. So let's get started. Leica M11 blew me away. With its 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, this camera captures every detail in breathtaking clarity. This triple-resolution technology really sets the M11 apart from its competition, offering versatility in shooting styles without compromising quality. Let's talk about that optical 0.73x magnification viewfinder. It's bright, clear, and makes framing shots a breeze. You can tell Leica focused on making this viewfinder a standout feature, and it shows in every photo you take. This viewfinder offers a seamless shooting experience, perfect for those who want to see their shots clearly and accurately before capturing them. The 2.95-inch and 2.3 dot touchscreen LCD is another highlight. It's responsive and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through settings and review images. The high resolution ensures your photos look crisp and vibrant on screen. I found this especially useful for quick reviews and adjustments on the go. It's one of the best LCD screens I've used on a camera, hands down. Internal 64GB memory and an SD UHS-2 slot means you'll rarely run out of space. You can shoot to your heart's content without worrying about swapping cards. This is particularly handy for long shoots or travel photography. Leica clearly thought about convenience with this feature, and it shows ISO 64-5000 and up to 4.5 FPS shooting make the M11 a versatile companion in various lighting conditions and fast-paced scenarios. This range lets you shoot in bright daylight or dimly lit environments with ease. I found the high ISO performance to be particularly impressive, keeping noise levels low and details sharp. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi and USB-C, along with the dedicated Photos app, make transferring photos a breeze. This feature is a real-time saver for those who want to quickly share their work or back up their photos. Leica did a great job ensuring modern connectivity is part of this classic camera's appeal. The lightweight aluminum top plate keeps the M11 manageable during long shoots without sacrificing durability. This makes a big difference during extended use, reducing fatigue. Plus, it adds a sleek, professional look to the camera. An electronic shutter and multi-field metering system enhance shooting flexibility. These features allow for precise exposure, control, and a silent shooting experience. I loved the quiet operation, which is perfect for discreet photography. Live view stabilization helps keep shots steady, especially when hand-holding the camera. This is a must-have for capturing sharp images without the need for a tripod. It's one of those features you didn't know you needed until you try it. Now, what didn't quite hit the mark for me? The price tag is steep, but considering the quality and features packed into the M11, it's an investment worth considering. Some might find the manual focus system a bit daunting, but once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly precise. In summary, the Leica M11 impresses with its blend of classic design and modern features. It's a fantastic choice for serious photographers looking for top-tier performance. Dive into the world of Leica M11 and experience a camera that's truly in a league of its own. So that's wrapping our information on Leica M11. However, its high price and manual focus requirements mean it may not be for everyone. If you are looking for a camera that offers a distinctive shooting experience and you don't mind investing in a premium product, the Leica M11 might be just what you're looking for. Ultimately, the Leica M11 stands out in the market, delivering a unique blend of classic design and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned Leica photography enthusiast or new to the brand, this camera promises to elevate your photography experience. We invite you to share your thoughts on the Leica M11 and any questions you may have in the comments below.